Oh, somebody's sleeping, doesn't want to be bothered. Oh, and again. Oh, it's got a clog. I hate it when it does that. Oh, dear. There you go. Good boy. Yeah, that was a good amount. Okay, now you go back to sleep. Okay? You heard Jason trying to teach Scooby his alphabet. He's not the best teacher in the world.